I'm going to read a Chinna Katha. It's called Sound is Sacred. A wise teacher was teaching a group of students in a school. Then came a man of authority. The teacher did not receive him at the entrance. The man felt hurt. "Why did you not welcome me at the entrance?" "I apologize, sir, but I was busy teaching the children." Just because you're teaching them, are the hearts of these children going to be changed? No, I cannot believe it. Yes, of course. There is every possibility of their minds being changed by my teaching. The man started arguing that it was not possible to change their mind by mere words. The teacher told the youngest boy, "My dear boy, just get hold of the neck of the visitor and drop him out the door." On hearing these words, the man was furious. His eyes turned red. He was angry and came forward to strike the teacher. "You silly woman! Wait a minute." Then, calmly, the teacher replied, "What is the reason for your being so angry? We did not beat you. You have been excited by hearing the sound of the words I used. So, with mere words, you can change the mind and earn the grace of anyone else." The moral of the story is, the spoken word, though it may be short and appears to be only a sound, has in it the power of an atom bomb. The end. I hope you like the story. Sai Sadhna.